To preview with S Pen without showing the pointer on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to set the air view to previews only. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features, and then tap S Pen. Tap Air View, and then select Previews Only. To see how this feature works, we will try to preview an album. To do so, open Gallery app. Remove your S Pen from your phone. Now, hover your S Pen on an album. You can see that your phone will display a pop-up window contains the preview of the album. With this setting, you can see helpful pop-ups like image or note previews, just hovering your S Pen while hiding the floating pointer. It's perfect if you want a cleaner screen and fewer distractions while still getting all the preview benefits. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.